So what's an oligopoly, folks? An oligopoly is simply a market dominated by a small number of strategically interdependent firms. It's a situation when you have just a few large firms who dominate the market. So it's a few firms dominating the market, and we call this an oligopoly. So the actions of each one firm has an important impact on the other firms. And in an oligopoly environment, you find that within each market, each firm recognizes its strategic interdependence with the others. On the African continent, you find oligopolies coming up in sectors like mobile communications operators, cell phones, and in the banking sector. Now, what the oligopoly requires is that those few firms who dominate the market do not articulate it explicitly. At some point, the number of firms is large enough and interdependence weak enough that oligopoly becomes a bit of a poor description. And what would be a better fit would be maybe monopolistic competition. But there's no absolute number at which point an oligopoly ends and monopolistic competition begins. It's a judgment call in terms of how you recognize those.